Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add cartoon face effects to your videos in CapCut. So here, what you need to do is just open your videos in CapCut like this. Then you can just go straight to effects, click on the body effects, and then you can just swipe until you find this roll options, and then you'll see this cartoon face that you can add to your video. So just tap on that effect and wait for it to apply to your video. So this is the result. You can click on a check icon, and to make it apply to the entire clip, you can just drag it like this. So this is how you can add cartoon face effect to your video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye!